Hello everyone. Today I'm presenting this Knapp-Monarch Jack Frost catalog number 3-505 12-inch 2-speed oscillating table fan. Now this is a relatively uncommon fan, and it's only the second one of these that I've seen. I believe it's a transitional model from the original wrinkled brown finish fans to the more metalloid bronze fans that were made during the early to mid 1950s. I believe this fan was made from 1952 to 1953 maybe, but I am not sure because I have not seen it in any catalogs as of yet. Now in my opinion, Knapp-Monarch fans are very underrated. They are considered to be a cheaper fan, and they are built pretty inexpensively, mainly being made of pressed sheet metal. But with a little work, these can be great running fans that operate smoothly and quietly. One aspect of these fans that I really like is the Art Deco design. Let's have a closer look at it. Now as you can see in the detail shots, the original paint is in very good shape. The fan does appear to have had the line cord redone, and it would normally have a brown 2-conductor cord with a molded plug on it. I'll redo it with a brown modern cord with a polarized plug. And the head wire, which is original, will also be redone with a cloth cord in the same color. We'll now give a demonstration of this fan, and we'll start it off on high speed. And we'll put it down to low speed. we'll shut the fan off. Yeah, this fan will need a little bit of work, and after I do that, I will revisit this one, and you will see a difference in the way that it runs. So with that, we'll conclude this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this classic. Thank you for watching, and we will have more to come, so stay tuned. Later.